renewable sources are divided in two parts, non-polluting and polluting. The electrical energy is in the first group. Hydraulic energy is what the water of the rivers possesses, properly channeled into reservoirs. Hydraulic energy is renewable energy that is based on taking advantage of the flow of water from a creating height.
Hydroelectric power is used in a hydroelectric power station for the generation of the electrical energy. Hydroelectric power plants are facilities that allow to take advantage of the gravitational potential energy contained in the water of rivers when it into electrical energy by means of hydroelectric turbines coupled to electrical generation.
Hydroelectric power station is one in which the potential energy of the water stored in a reservoir is converted into the kinetic energy needed to move the rotor of a generator and later transform it into electrical energy. Hydroelectric power plants are built in river beds, creating a reservoir to hold the water. For this, a thick wall of stone, concrete, or other materials is built, generally supported on some mountain. The mass of dammed water is conducted through from the pipe to the blades of a turbine that is usually at the foot of the dam, which is connected to the generator.
An electric power plant is composed of the reservoir, a door, the dam, water in motion, one turbine, a generator, a transformer, a transmission line, and water used to irrigate.
Function of a hydroelectric power station. The dam serves as a contaminant for the water in the reserve that flows through. The pipeline unit terraces the machine. Upon arrival, a series of gates and grills regulate the care of the water and act as a filter, preventing material that can damage the machine from reaching the turbine.
Water is transported through ducts and tubes, controlled by valves that control the amount of water the turbines depending on the demand of electricity. Then water is discharged through channels.
Availability. It is an inexhaustible resource as long as the water cycle lasts. It does not pollute. It does not emit greenhouse gases or cause acid rain. That is, does not pollute atmosphere, so it is not necessary to employ expensive methods that clean gas emissions. Product works at temperature. There is not need burn cooling systems or boilers that consume energy, and in many cases pollute, so it is more profitable in this regard. Water storage for irrigation allows recreational activities, rowing, bathing, etc.
Doesn't require fuel, doesn't doesn't have the control on the persons. Is accountable the medium ambient. It is a little problem for the humans because it can be so growing, etc.
Inconveniences, the dams, unsavable obstacles, salmons and other species that have to come back the rivers to spawn, they find each other with walls that can't be passed. Deprivation to the low course. The sediments are accumulated in the reservoir, becoming impoverished of nutrients and the rest of the river until the river mouth. Contamination of the water. The dam water doesn't have the condition of salinity, dissolved gases, temperature, nutrients, and also water properties that flow through the water.